Endopump 2 model. This is a peristatic irrigation pump. So next we see how to connect all these connections to Endopump 2. This is a rear panel of Endopump 2. This is a power socket. This is power switch for on off, and this is for your foot pedal connection. So I'm just connecting power cable here. Connect this foot switch to foot switch socket. Just press it. This is the locking position. If you want to remove this, press this switch and remove it. So this is a front panel of your Endopump. So in next step we see how to connect this tubing. So just push it to the bottle connector. Disconnect this tubing to this bottle connector. If you want to remove, just press this clip and remove it. So this is a single clip tubing connection. So now connect this tubing to this peristatic water pump. Just put this tubing into the gap. Here is a gap and this is the locking position. So just keep the tubing in the slot and make sure to keep this distance of the tube at other end approximately 7 cm and lock it. So this is the locking position of your tubing in peristatic pump. Now we see how to connect these endopump connections to endoscope. So first we see the connection of this Y port. This is the Y port. Just lose this Y port connector. Remove this biopsy cap from endoscope biopsy port and attach this Y port to biopsy port and just tighten it. Just move upper part of this Y port and tighten it. So now you can see this port is tight completely. Okay. So put this biopsy cap on upper part of this Y port and connect this tubing, endopump tubing, to this section. Just lock it. So now your Y port connection is done. Control a water flow by pressing these switches. The single touch switches. You can decrease or increase a flow rate. A flow rate for this endopump range is 100 ml per minute to 900 ml per minute. So now the flow rate is on 1 bar. If you want to increase a flow rate, just press this button. So I am increasing this flow rate. You can see indication is there, LED indication is there. So I keep this flow rate on 6 bar. Here I am showing you a flow rate. So this is you can control your flow by this foot pedal. So this is complete installation process of peristatic irrigation pump, Endopump 2. Thank you for watching this video.